Are you tired of spending too much money on data that finishes too fast? What if I told you that there are secret codes that MTN does not want you to know that can slash the cost of your data and can still give you more for less? In this video, I'm going to reveal to you 10 powerful MTN data codes that can use to get data at a very cheap price from MTN. Whether you are browsing, streaming, or you work online, you can use this code to get it at a very cheap price from MTN that you can use for your work. Don't even miss anyone because the last code might just blow your mind away. If this is the type of video I like to watch, do well to like this video and so drop your comment on the comment section. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods that I can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notification. So let's dive right to the video. The first code to get cheap data from MTN is *312*88#. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. You'll be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 1 GB plus 500 MB monthly plan. So with 200 I can get 1.5 GB of data. This will last you for 1 month. So this is a very good option to get cheap data from MTN. So let's move on to the second code. The number 2 code to get data at a very cheap price from MTN is *312*87#. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. You'll be charged 15 for the purchase of 200 MB plus 250 MB 14 days plan. So with 15 I can get 4.5 GB of data. This data will last you for 14 days. So this is another good option to get it at a very cheap price from MTN. So let's move on to the third code. The number 3 code to get it at a very cheap price from MTN is *312*65*2# *312*65*2#. So let's dial it and see what this could look like. You'll be charged 200 for the purchase of 1 GB weekly data bundle, valid for 7 days. With 200 I can get 1 GB of data. This data will last you for 7 days. So this is another good option to get cheap data from MTN. The number 4 code to get it at the very cheap price from MTN is *312*3*4# *312*3*4#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. This code is mostly for TikTok. If you want to do a data that you want to use for your TikTok subscription, you can use this option to do a data that you can use to do your TikTok. We have 2 options that is available in this session. The first option, with 15 I can get 150 MB. This data will last you for 1 day. The second option, with 400 I can get 2 GB of data. This data will last you for 7 days. The one that I mostly go for is the second option, which is 400 naira for 2 GB of data, which means 1 GB of data is just 200 naira if you're going for this option. So this is one of the options that I use to do my subscription that I use for my TikTok. So let's move on to the 5th code. The number 5 code to get it at a very cheap price from MTN is *312*65*3#. *312*65*3#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. You'll be charged 1,000 for the purchase of 400 GB monthly data bundle, valid for 30 days. With 1,000 I can get 4 GB of data. This data will last you for 1 month. So this is another good option to get it at a very cheap price from MTN. Number 6 code to get it at a very cheap price from MTN is *121#. So that's *121#. Then you dial 1, which is top D for me. I have one option that's available in this section. Get 1.5 GB for 300 naira. So if you want to get access to it, you dial 1 to get access to it. So with 300 I can get 1.5 GB of data. This data will last you for 7 days, which means 1 GB of data is just 200 naira if you're going for this option. So this is another good option to get it at a very cheap price from MTN. So let's proceed to the number 7 code to get it at a very cheap price from MTN. The number 7 code to get it at a very cheap price from MTN is *406*3# 3 hash star 406 star 3 hash. So let's delete and see what we can get with this code. Enjoy post Nightlife browsing from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. Fairly use policy of 2 GB apply. So this is mostly for night browsing. If you do a lot of work in the night, you can use this option to get huge that you can use for your night browsing. I can make use of this plan from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. in the night. With 75 Naira, I can get 500 MB, which means with 150 can get 1 GB of data. So this is another good option that I can use to get it at a very cheap rate that I can use for your night browsing. Number 8 code to get it at a very cheap rate from MTN is star 121 hash. So that's star 121 hash. Then you dial 2, which is data for me. So you have 2 options that's available for you that can use to buy cheap data from MTN. The first option, with 500 I can get 2 GB of data. The second option, with 200 I can get 1 GB of data. The one that I mostly go for is the second option. So if you want to go for that option, you dial 2. So this data will last you for 7 days. So this is another good option that I can use to buy cheap data from MTN. The number 9 code to get it at a very cheap price from MTN is star 312 hash. So that's the 312 hash. Then you dial 2, which is business plan. So this is mostly for business owner. You dial 2 broadband bundle. Then you dial 1 cap plan. You have 3 options that is available for you that you can use to get it at a very cheap rate from MTN. The first option is a monthly plan. The second option is a 3-month plan, and the third option is a yearly plan. So let's dial 1 to check the monthly plan. On the monthly plan, we have 4 options that is available for you that you can use to buy cheap data. The first option, with 9,000 you can get 30 GB of data. The second option, with 14,500 you can get 60 GB of data. The third option, with 24,000 you can get 120 GB of data. The fourth option, with 37,500 you can get 200 GB of data. So you can use any of these options to get cheap data from MTN. So let's dial 0 to go back. So I'm going to dial 2 to check the 3-month plan. So if you want to do a data plan that will last for 3 months, you can use this option. With 75,000 I can get 450 GB of data. This data will last you for 3 months. So let's do a little calculation to know how much 1 GB of data will cost if you are going for this option. 75,000 divided by 450. So 1 GB of data will cost you just 166 Naira if you are going for this option. So this is another good option to get data at a very cheap price that will last you for a long period of time. So let's move on to the number 10 code to get cheap data from MTN. Star 121 hash. So that's the 121 hash. So that number 4. You have to have 2 options that's available for you. You have the daily offer and the 30 days offer. So to check the daily offer, you dial 1. So on the daily offer, with 1,000 you can get 4.5 GB of data. So let's dial 0 to check the monthly plan. So dial 2 to check the monthly plan. So on the monthly plan, with 2,500 Naira, you can get 11 GB of data. So you can use any of these options to get data at a very cheap price from MTN. Now you know the 10 MTN secret code that can save you money and can stay connected on the internet longer. If you got value from this video, do well to like this video and also drop your comment on the comment section. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. If you want to learn how to get it at a very cheap price from other networks like Airtel, Glo and Nine Mobile, you can check the video that is showing next on your screen, or you can check the description of this video. So I will see you in my next video.